push out. These guys are doing really good on this little 22. I don't know if you can see that or not. Doing pretty good. Turn the whole body sideways. So now you're going to be a little higher than the belly button. Get that one first, send that second one as quick as you can. Don't try to aim. When you pull that first one, your intention is to launch both of them.
One hand?
One hand, you can do it.
I can feel it hit.
Nice.
Here's the roll.
That bag too. Move your face back from that scope.
My hand is
No, go ahead and hold it up.
Like this?
There you go.
Ow.
You really closed your eyes.